Hello students, welcome to my class. I am Vasanta TD, working as Associate Professor and HOD, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, Tumkur. Today, I am going to talk about the working capital management. This topic is useful for 4th SEM BBM and 6th SEM BCom students of Tumkur University. Now, I will be teaching about meaning, definition, concepts, and types of working capital. Let us begin with the introduction of working capital management. Working capital management or current assets management is one of the vital parts of financial management. Working capital is concerned with short term finance or finance required for routine activities or operations. Effective and efficient management of working capital ensures the success of a business. The inefficiency of management may lead to loss, which in turn leads to shutdown of business operations. Hence, study of working capital is not only limited to financial management but also to the overall management of the organization. Now I am focusing meaning of working capital. Capital required for the business can be classified into two groups. The first one is fixed capital, the second one is working capital. The first point is that fixed capital. Fixed capital means that capital which is used in the business for long term investment like purchase of fixed assets such as plant and machinery, land, building, furniture, etc. Investment of funds in these assets would block the firm's capital on a permanent or fixed basis. Hence, it is termed as fixed capital. The second classification is that working capital. Here, fixed capital is meant for long term investment, whereas working capital is for short term investment, wherein organization invests these funds in day to day operations of business. For example, working capital deals with activities like purchase of raw materials, payment of labor charges, payment of bills, etc. Hence, these funds or capital are termed as working capital or short term capital. It is also known as circulating capital because the funds invested in current assets keep revolving fast and constantly converted into cash, and this cash flows out again in exchange for other current assets. According to the definition of Weston and Brigham, working capital refers to a firm's investment in short term assets, cash, short term securities, accounts receivables, and inventories. Then, next concept is that working capital concept. Let us try to understand the meaning of gross working capital. Gross concept or gross working capital refers to the firm's investment in various components like current assets, namely cash, marketable securities, raw materials, work in progress, receivables, etc. Current assets are the assets which can be converted into cash within an accounting year. Here we can observe one formula, that is gross working capital equals current assets. The next thing is that net working capital. Net working capital considers both current assets and current liability. It refers to the difference between current assets and current liabilities. Current liabilities are those claims of outsiders which are expected to mature for payment within an accounting year, like sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, short term loans, bank overdraft, dividends and payable, etc. Here also we can come across one equation, that is net working capital equals current assets minus current liabilities. Now we are focusing the types of working capital. In case of types of working capital, we can broadly come across three important categories. The first one is permanent working capital, the second one is temporary working capital, third one is semi variable working capital. In temporary working capital also, we can broadly classify it into two categories such as seasonal working capital and special working capital. Let us try to concentrate on permanent working capital. Permanent working capital is known as fixed working capital. The second thing is that it is the capital. The business concern must maintain certain amount of capital at minimum level at all times. The third point is that the level of permanent capital depends upon the nature of the business. The fourth one is permanent or fixed working capital will not change irrespective of time or volume of sales. Now I am going to focus on temporary working capital. Temporary working capital is also known as variable working capital. In this case, let us try to understand the things which are associated in case of temporary working capital. It is the additional working capital needed to support the changing production and sales in the business. In other words, it represents additional current assets required at different times during the operating year. For example, extra inventory has to be maintained to support sales during peak period. Investment in inventories, receivables, etc. will decrease in periods of depression as the amount of working capital keeps on fluctuating from time to time on the basis of business activities. It is termed as temporary working capital. Variable working capital can be further classified as seasonal working capital and special working capital. Let us try to understand the meaning of seasonal working capital. The seasonal working capital, in case of seasonal working capital, we can observe that the capital required to meet the seasonal needs of the enterprise is called seasonal working capital. During the seasonal time, firm required to source its needs to meet the seasonal demand. The working capital which required meeting the seasonal needs of the enterprise is called seasonal working capital. Another thing is that special working capital. The capital which is required to meet the special exigencies such as launching extensive marketing campaigns, for conducting research, extra production, extra purchase, etc., is referred as special working capital. Next point is that semi-variable working capital. In case of semi-variable working capital, we can observe that certain amount of working capital is in the field level up to a certain stage, and after that it will increase depending upon the change of sales on time. Thank you.